Wanna know how to manage stamina efficiently in Game of Thrones KingsRoad? So in this video, I'm going to explain you how you can efficiently manage stamina easily so that it lasts longer. So stamina is one of the most important resources in KingsRoad, and wasting it can slow your progress a lot. So first things first, never let your stamina stay full for too long. When it's capped, you're losing free value. So make sure you use it properly at the time. So make sure you always spend stamina on high reward activities like main quest, events or resource rich nodes. Avoid using stamina on low level or low reward missions unless required for a quest. If you have stamina refill items, save them for events or long pay sessions instead of using them randomly. Log in multiple times a day, spend your stamina smartly and you'll progress faster without spending anything. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.